Most men think they need dozens of pieces to look sharp in every situation. But what if the opposite is true? What if having fewer pieces actually makes you better dressed? If you follow these non-obvious principles, you will be dressed sharply in every situation and people won't know you just have a few pieces in your wardrobe. This will change everything about how you approach clothing. Here's a systematic framework that eliminates wardrobe chaos and decision fatigue. But first, answer honestly, how many times have you bought an expensive piece that somehow never looks right with anything else you own? That's the paradox of random purchasing. Here's what changed everything: the realization that strategic selection beats expensive accumulation every single time. But before we dive into the 7 principles, if you want the complete breakdown of every essential piece with fabric recommendations, fit guidelines, and shopping priorities, I've created a comprehensive style checklist that you can download for free. You'll find the link in the description below. Now let's get into the system. Imagine a fully functional wardrobe of 14 pieces. From this foundation, you can dress for board meetings, weekend dinners, formal events, and casual outings in any season, and never look underdressed or out of place. Think about it: 50 random pieces versus 14 strategic pieces. Which wardrobe creates more successful outfit combinations? The 50-piece wardrobe creates chaos because nothing was chosen to work together. The 14-piece system creates harmony because every piece was selected for maximum compatibility. Here's what you do not want to do. Do not buy pieces in isolation without considering integration. Do not assume more options equal better outcomes. Do not shop without a systematic approach. Here's what you do want to do. Start with versatile foundation pieces. Ensure every addition works with existing pieces. Build systematically, not randomly. 1 suit, 1 sport coat, 3 shirts, 2 ties equals 12 perfect combinations. This already makes for a versatile wardrobe that serves you in most life situations. Why do some men's wardrobes work seamlessly while others feel like random collections? The answer lies in understanding color relationships. The mid-gray suit, your most versatile piece. Business meetings with white shirt and navy tie. Formal events with waistcoat addition. Smart casual with roll neck sweater replacement. That's 3 distinct dress codes from one garment. Classic proportions ensure it never looks out of place. A navy blazer serves as your smart casual foundation. Unlike a suit jacket, it's designed to work as a separate piece. Pair with chinos for weekend events, dress trousers for business casual, quality jeans for relaxed situations. Here's the tactical approach. Choose contrasting buttons and textured fabric for your navy pieces. This signals intentional casual wear rather than orphan suiting. A light gray suit bridges seasons and formality levels, perfect for spring and summer, and can work casually with polo shirts. You may have heard the phrase "fit is king." That's absolutely true, but I would add versatility is queen. Notice how these 3 pieces, mid-gray, navy, light gray, create complete spectrum coverage: formal business, traditional events, seasonal versatility, and casual occasions. These pieces work hard in your capsule wardrobe. Here's what you do not want to do. Do not buy suits you aren't going to wear because your lifestyle doesn't demand it. Never skip on quality. Here's what you do want to do. Start with a gray suit with some texture for maximum versatility. Add a navy blazer for business casual and casual occasions. But here's what many men miss entirely about shirts. You don't need 15 different options. You need 3 strategic choices that handle every situation. Your universal foundation, the white dress shirt with a classic point or spread color. This is your non-negotiable piece. Works with every tie, every suit color, every formal occasion. Choose poplin, pinpoint Oxford, or fine twirls for the right texture. Watch this demonstration. White shirt with gray suit and navy tie. Perfect for business. Same shirt with light gray suit and a navy tie. Ideal for daytime events. The white shirt never compromises your look. The light blue dress shirt is your second most important piece, because it adds subtle color while maintaining complete versatility. Works with all your suit colors, but more importantly, it gives you visual variety without any risk. Here's the strategic thinking. When you wear the same gray suit twice in 1 week, the light blue shirt makes it feel like a completely different outfit. Your casual game changer. A white or light blue Oxford cloth button-down serves a specific purpose that dress shirts cannot. The collar holds its shape without a tie, making it perfect for tieless outfits. This color structure transforms your casual capabilities. Navy blazer with OCBD, no tie, perfect for weekend outings. Here's what you do not want to do. Do not buy shirts in random colors without considering integration. Do not assume dress shirts work well without ties. Do not overlook the importance of color construction. Here's what you do want to do. Start with white dress shirt as your foundation. Add light blue for subtle variety. Include OCBD for tieless versatility. 3 shirts handle every formality level and season. Each serves a specific purpose, and together they multiply your outfit options exponentially. But your capsule wardrobe isn't complete without bridging formal and casual. Two pieces handle every casual situation while maintaining your sophisticated approach. Stone or sand chinos, your smart casual bridge. Choose stone or sand chinos for maximum versatility. These neutral tones work with your navy blazer for weekend events. Pair with blue OCBD for relaxed business casual. Dark jeans, your elevated casual option. Quality dark jeans in indigo or deep navy work with your brown loafers and navy blazer for social situations. The key is choosing a clean, tailored fit that maintains the sophisticated standards of your entire wardrobe. Notice how both pieces work with your existing foundation. This isn't random addition. It's systematic expansion of your casual capabilities. Here's what you do not want to do. Don't neglect your casual wardrobe. It offers you endless styling opportunities. Don't choose trendy pieces. Here's what you do want to do. Choose timeless and neutral chino colors that work with your existing pieces. Select dark jeans without fading. Maintain the same fit standards as your formal pieces. Two casual pieces integrated strategically give you complete lifestyle coverage while maintaining wardrobe cohesion. But what transforms these foundation pieces from good to exceptional? The answer lies in understanding the strategy. And most men get this completely wrong. The two-tie system that works with everything. A navy solid tie is your most versatile piece. Works for any occasion demanding formal wear. Pairs perfectly with your gray suits. Creates dramatic contrast with light gray. Works beautifully with any dress shirt color. Choose silk in classic width, 3.1 to 3.3 inches. Watch this demonstration. Same mid-gray suit and white shirt with navy tie. Switch to light blue shirt, the combination remains flawless. A gray pattern tie adds subtle visual interest while maintaining complete formality. The key is choosing a pattern that's sophisticated enough for business, yet interesting enough to show personality. This creates visual harmony with your gray suits while providing contrast with navy pieces. Works beautifully with all your shirt colors. If you want to dive deeper into tie selection and see exactly which patterns and width work best for different suits and jackets, I have a complete guide, 5 essential ties every man needs, a complete guide to timeless style. You'll find it linked in the description. Here's what most men miss about accessories. They are not just finishing touches. They are multiplication factors for your entire wardrobe. Watch this transformation. Navy blazer and a white shirt alone versus the same combination with white pocket square addition. The pocket square instantly elevates the combination from well done to absolutely put together. That's intentional enhancement, not random decoration. Here's what you do not want to do. Do not buy ties randomly without considering your suit colors. Do not treat accessories as afterthoughts. Do not choose accessories that only work with single outfits. Do not underestimate the power of simple classic pieces. Here's what you do want to do. Start with a navy solid tie as your foundation. Add a gray tie with pattern for visual interest. Invest in one good white pocket square. This works with just any suit and sport coat you'll have in your wardrobe. It will serve you in any situation and elevates your entire outfit from those who ignorantly skip it. Can you spot which shoe choice limits your wardrobe options and which one multiplies them? The color hierarchy most men get wrong. Black Oxfords work with black suits, dark navy suits, charcoal suits. Brown shoes work with navy suits, gray suits, light gray suits, casual blazers, chinos, even dark jeans. Here's the tactical secret most men miss. Dark brown Oxfords are approachable enough to soften navy's formality, sophisticated enough to complement gray's business presence, and versatile enough to work casually. Watch this transformation. Same shoes, different settings. The brown shoes work with the mid-gray suits and casual jeans. The dark shoes work with the suit but are too formal to be paired with jeans, limiting casual adaptability. When building a capsule wardrobe, every piece should earn its place through maximum versatility. If you wear belts, choose brown when wearing brown shoes. It creates visual harmony across your entire wardrobe while providing more styling options. Here's what you do not want to do. Do not default to black for versatility. Do not choose accessories in isolation. Here's what you do want to do. Consider brown leather shoes for maximum versatility. Only consider black Oxfords as a staple if you work in a traditional corporate environment. From 14 foundation pieces, you can create 27 different outfit combinations. More styling versatility than most men achieve from wardrobes 3 times this size. These essential pieces cover every situation from boardroom to weekend. The capsule wardrobe isn't about restriction, it's about strategic freedom. Freedom from decision fatigue. Freedom from inappropriate dressing. Freedom from closet chaos. Remember these principles that separate sharp men from everyone else. First, more options create worse outcomes. 14 strategic pieces create more successful combinations than 50 random purchases. Second, navy and gray form your foundation system. Mid-gray suits for maximum versatility and navy blazers for smart casual excellence. in light gray for seasonal bridging. Third, master the 3-shirt foundation. White dress shirt as your universal base. Light blue for subtle variety and OCBD for tireless versatility. Fourth, integrate casual foundations strategically. Stone chinos and dark jeans that work seamlessly with your existing pieces for complete lifestyle coverage. Fifth, understand tie strategy. Navy solid and gray pattern ties that work with every combination in your wardrobe. Sixth, accessories multiply your options. A white pocket square transforms any jacket from good to exceptional. Seventh, brown beats black in versatility. Brown shoes work across formal suits, casual blazers, chinos, and jeans where black creates limitations. Combined together, you have 27 distinct outfits combinations that handle every situation from boardroom to weekend. But there's one element that can make or break this entire system, and it's the 3 principal fit framework that transforms any garment from mediocre to exceptional. Understanding how structural foundation, proportional harmony, and refined details work together creates that effortless sophistication that makes people take notice. You definitely want to check out the video where I covered this.